Shall we do counting now? Yes. So today we are going to count objects from 1 to 10. Okay. Let's do counting now. This is number 1. 1 block. 1. This is number 2. 1, 2. 2 blocks. This is the number 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 blocks. This is the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blocks. This is the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blocks. This is the number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 blocks. This is the number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 blocks. This is the number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 blocks. This is the number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 blocks. This is the number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 blocks. So now we were able to count numbers from 1 to 10. Thank you.